Good morning. This is Yelumalai. Today present topic principal stresses for variable loading combinations. A stress element on which normal stresses sigma x, sigma y and shear stresses tau xy act. Let use cut this element at an angle theta to the x-axis with the result as shown in figure. And the inclined plane we have normal stresses sigma x, sigma y. That means sigma x, sigma y normal stresses. The tangent stresses shear stresses. If we origin theta to sudden angle, we will get the plane on which only normal stresses act with no tangent stresses is present normal stresses. A plane where only normal stresses act with no shear stress acting is called principal plane. The normal stress acting on this plane is called principal stresses. Okay. Such a plane corresponding to the value of theta which satisfied tan 2 theta is equal to 2 tau xy divided sigma x, sigma y. Sigma x, sigma y normal stresses. Tangent stress is tau xy. There are two possible values of theta that satisfy this equation. When their theta value exit represent principal plane, substituting this value of 2 theta, equation 1, you get the two possible values. That's mean sigma 1, sigma 2. Sigma 1 means maximum principal stress, sigma 2 minimum principal stress. Okay, sigma 1 is equal to sigma x plus sigma y divided 2 plus root of sigma x plus sigma y divided 2 whole square plus tau xy whole square. Sigma 2 minimum principal stress, sigma x plus sigma y divided 2 minus root of sigma x plus sigma y divided 2 whole square plus tau xy whole square. The maximum shear stress another one name tangent stress. The maximum shear stress is given by tau maximum is equal to 1 divided 2 root of sigma x minus sigma y whole square plus 4 tau xy whole square. Let's start the problems. The stress rate in a machine member is given as following: sigma x 20 megapascal, mega means 10 power 6. Okay, your unit conversion megapascal Newton per mm square you convert. Okay, find the principal, normal and shear stress. Locate the angle of sigma 1 and sigma 2 from x-axis. You note it. This problem sigma 1, sigma 2 are the maximum principal stress and minimum principal stress x-axis only. So sigma y is equal to 0. You are assumed 0. To find sigma 1, sigma 2, theta 1, theta 2. Finally, solution. The given stress may be represented as tan 2 theta 1 is equal to 2 into tau xy divided sigma x minus sigma y. The given data sigma x, sigma y and tau xy values are given. You substituting these values, you finally get the value theta 1 15.8 degree. As theta 2 will be perpendicular to theta 1, angle of theta sigma 2 with the x-axis, respect the x-axis. The perpendicular theta 2, theta 1 perpendicular upon 90, 90 plus theta 1 is equal to theta 2 value, you get the theta 2 value 105.8. Maximum principal stress sigma 1 is equal to 1 divided 2 sigma x plus sigma y plus root of sigma x minus sigma y whole square plus 4 tau xy whole square. This formula, maximum principal stress and minimum principal stress formula, the PSD data book 7.2 available. These formulas. Substituting these values, sigma 1 finally value, maximum principal stress value 21.132 Newton per mm square. Minimum principal stress sigma 2 is equal to 1 by 2 sigma x plus sigma y minus root of sigma x plus sigma y whole square plus tau 4 tau xy whole square. Minimum principal stress value 5.87 Newton per mm square. Maximum shear stress formulas: tau maximum is equal to 1 divided 2 root of sigma x minus sigma y whole square plus 4 tau xy whole square. This value substituting, finally get the maximum shear stress value 7.632 Newton per mm square. Another one problem. A crankshaft bearing is loaded as shown in figure 1.16. Determine the maximum principal stress and the minimum principal stress, maximum shear stress. Locate the diagram, the figure 1.16. This problem, load acting 15 kilonewton. Kilo means 10 power 3. About 15 into 10 power 3 Newton. Pin diameter. This is pin diameter. Upper the crank pin D130 mm. The crankshaft diameter D2 50 mm. This is 50 mm diameter. Shaft oda diameter 50 mm. இந்த crank pin ஓட crank shaft கொடுத்தாச்சு. crank pin இது நம்ம பார்க்குற மாதிரி இருக்கும். அப்போ ஷாஃப்டோட டயாமீட்டர் இவ்வளோ கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. அப்போ இதோட லென்த்து கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. அதுக்கப்புறம் ரேடியஸ் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. ரேடியஸ் எது எதுக்குன்னா ஷாஃப்ட்டுக்கும் crank பின்னுக்கும் உள்ள ரேடியஸ் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. இதில் எப்படி ஆக்ட் பண்ணியிருக்காங்கன்னு பாருங்கள். அதாவது லோடு வந்து அது ஹரிசாண்டலாக ஆக்ட் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. இன்க்ளைண்டாக கொடுக்கல. ஹரிசாண்டலாக ஆக்ட் பண்ணது அப்போ எக்ஸ் ஆக்சிஸ் ஒண்டி தான். To find sigma 1 sigma 2 tau maximum at the crankshaft due to the load. First you find the bending momentum and twisting momentum. The bending momentum formula, load into distance. The bending momentum, the load value 15 into 10 power 3 and the distance, the L length into 100. Finally 1.5 into 10 power 6 Newton mm. Twisting momentum, load into radius, that is substituting 2.25 into 10 power 6 Newton mm. The bending stress due to the MB, sigma x equal to, already discussed about introduction principal stresses, 32 MB divided by d cube. Substituting bending momentum value and shaft diameter value, you substituting this formula, finally you get the bending stress 122 Newton per mm square. Shear stress due to shear stress value formulas 16 mt divided by d cube. The twisting momentum values substituting and diameter of the value substituting, you finally get the shear stress 91.67 Newton per mm square. The maximum principal stress sigma 1 sigma 2 PS data book 7.2 available formulas. Sigma 1 is equal to 1 divided 2 sigma x plus sigma y plus root of sigma x minus sigma y whole square plus 4 tau xy whole square. This problem, normal stress is acting x axis only, but sigma y is equal to 0. They are substituting. Finally, you get the 171.1 Newton per mm square value, maximum principal stress value given. The minimum principal stress value substituting sigma x sigma y value is already find out. Finally, you get the value minus 49.11 Newton per mm square. Maximum shear stress value sigma 1 minus sigma 2 divided 2, substituting maximum shear stress value 1101.1 Newton per mm square. Another one problem, I give the homework. Same problem, already I discussed one problem, same problem. Determine the maximum and minimum normal stresses and maximum shear stress at the crankshaft shown in figure. Already problem, first one problem, diameter only shaft diameter 50. This problem 70, the shaft diameter. and radius 175, and load already acting horizontal axis only. This problems inclined angle 45 inclined angle. You homework sum. Thank you.